Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2018 Ford Transit 350 XLT. Now the exterior color is an Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated engine, as well as we have our automatic select shift 6-speed transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our daytime running lights. And over at the side we have our 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Continental tires, as well as we have our side step into the rear, as well as our sliding rear door and our privacy tinted windows in the rear. At the rear, we have our trailer tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as we have our reverse camera, as well as our backup sensors. We also have our swing open doors, as well as our rear windows. We also have our Transit 350 XLT and EcoBoost badging. At the interior of the Transit, we have tons of door storage, as well as driver-friendly features including power locks and power windows. We also have our power adjustable mirrors next to our automatic headlamp dial. Now at our tilt steering wheel, we have our information trackpad, as well as our cruise control settings and our hands-free and volume controls over on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and our control area, as well as we have the rest of the rear, which allows for 3 cabin lights. And over at our driver's section, you'll notice we have our fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as heated seats. As we look ahead, we have our LCD display screen, which allows for our outside climate, date, and time, as well as it displays our backup camera. And underneath we have our CD receiver, which allows for radio, media control, phone connectivity, and other features. And down below we have our climate control area, as well as a 12-volt adapter and a USB. And over here we have our another 12-volt adapter with dual cup holders, and we have our console shift that has the manual select mode of 6 different speeds. And as we slide open our door, you'll notice in our second row we have 3 passenger seating, which can enjoy their own cup holders. And over at the second row we have 3 more seats, which allows for their own cup holder, as well as an easy walkway to get to the third row, which has 3 more seats, and including cup holders and a 12-volt adapter on the right side, and another cup holder. And at the rear, we have our 4th row seating, which has their very own cup holders as well, and includes 4 passenger seating, which is a total of 15 passenger seating within the Transit XLT 350. If there are any more questions about this EcoBoost powered Transit, please do not hesitate to contact our beautiful and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.